Introducing the Oraimo Watch 3 Pro, your ultimate wearable companion. The Oraimo Watch 3 Pro combines style, functionality, and advanced features to elevate your daily life. With its sleek design and impressive specifications, this smartwatch is set to redefine your communication and fitness experience. Featuring a 1.83 inches TFT display with vibrant colors, the Oraimo Watch 3 Pro offers a broader and more engaging visual experience. Whether you're navigating through its numerous features or checking your exercise progress, the colorful touchscreen ensures clarity and ease of use. Stay connected like never before with the BT Call feature. Seamlessly take, make, and reject calls directly from your wrist, making multitasking a breeze, whether you're on the move or focused on a task. The watch also boasts convenient quick reply options, ensuring you stay connected while managing your time efficiently. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the watch's 120+ sport modes, which cater to a wide range of activities, from running and cycling to ball sports. The watch even intelligently recognizes your workout and reminds you to track your data, ensuring you never miss out on monitoring your progress. Not just a fitness companion, the Oraimo Watch 3 Pro prioritizes your health with a 24-hour heart rate and blood oxygen monitor, stress tracking, and advanced sleep monitoring. It offers insights into your well-being and prompts you to take necessary actions to maintain a balanced lifestyle. With a robust battery life of up to 7 days on a 30-minute fast charge, the Oraimo Watch 3 Pro keeps up with your active lifestyle, providing the longevity needed to power you through your endeavors. Customization takes center stage with over 150 watch faces to choose from, allowing you to express your unique style. From its IP68 water and dust resistance to its intuitive features like remote camera control and weather updates, this watch is truly your all-in-one life assistant. To track and manage your health and fitness journey effectively, the Oraimo Health app seamlessly syncs and displays your data, helping you make informed decisions about your well-being. Elevate your daily routine with the Oraimo Watch 3 Pro, a stylish, feature-packed smartwatch that keeps you connected, active, and empowered. If you're interested in staying updated with more tech news and content like this, consider following Tech Mansion on their social media channels and subscribing to their updates. Happy exploring and stay tuned for the latest innovations and gadgets in the tech world.